Imagine making $1 million in a year without investing a single penny. No money, no fancy tools, just ideas, consistency, and smart strategy. Sounds impossible? Well, it's not. Let me show you how one YouTuber did it. Meet Alex, a regular person just like you and me. No connections, no startup funds, nothing but a simple laptop and a dream. He wanted to make a real income online and turned a YouTube channel into a $1 million machine. At first, it wasn't easy. Alex uploaded daily videos, but no one watched. 0 subscribers, 0 views. People doubted him. It felt impossible, but he didn't quit. Every failure taught him a small lesson. Then Alex discovered the secret: pick a niche people love, make simple explainers, and follow trends smartly. Instead of complicated tutorials, he simplified topics everyone wanted to understand. Slowly, it worked. 100 views, then 100,000 per video. AdSense revenue started trickling in, then growing fast. He realized consistency plus the right strategy equals growth. But Alex didn't stop there. He added affiliate links, sponsorships, and digital products. Suddenly, his hobby became a business. Each video was not just content, but a money-generating machine. After 1 year of hard work and smart moves, Alex reached $1 million in total earnings. All from ideas, creativity, and strategy, not a single dollar invested up front. What can we learn from Alex? Consistency is everything. Pick the right niche, people need it, they search for it. Multiple income streams accelerate growth. Ideas plus effort equals money. Remember, it's not luck, it's strategy. If Alex can do it, so can you. Start small, work smart, and let your ideas earn money for you. Subscribe now for more finance secrets explained simply, and start your journey today.